Steve Jobs' journey to success is one of resilience, vision, and relentless pursuit of innovation. Born in 1955 to a young, unwed mother, Jobs was put up for adoption. He grew up in California, tinkering with electronics in his garage, fueled by a curiosity for how things worked. Jobs' path was unconventional. He dropped out of college after just 6 months, but he continued to audit classes, including a calligraphy course that later influenced the aesthetic design of Apple products. He believed in following his passions, even when they seemed impractical. In 1976, Jobs co-founded Apple in his parents' garage with Steve Wozniak. Their vision was clear: to create personal computers that were user-friendly and accessible to everyone. But it wasn't smooth sailing. Jobs' perfectionism and intense personality led to conflicts at Apple, and by 1985, he was ousted from the company he had co-founded. Rather than seeing this as a defeat, Jobs used his exile as an opportunity for reinvention. He founded NeXT, a computer platform development company, and also acquired Pixar, a small animation studio that would later revolutionize the film industry with movies like Toy Story. Pixar's success cemented Jobs as a visionary beyond the tech world. In 1997, Apple bought NeXT, bringing Jobs back to the company. Apple was struggling, but Jobs saw this as a chance to rebuild. He simplified Apple's product line and focused on innovation. The introduction of the iMac, iPod, iPhone, and iPad reshaped not just Apple, but entire industries. Jobs' relentless focus on design, simplicity, and user experience set Apple apart. He believed in creating products people didn't even know they needed, but couldn't live without once they had them. His Think Different philosophy wasn't just a marketing slogan. It was his life mantra. Even as he battled cancer in his later years, Jobs continued to push boundaries, ensuring Apple remained a global leader. His story is a testament to the power of vision, resilience, and following one's passions no matter the obstacles.